What's up, YouTubes? Here we are. So in the back of my car, and it is about 6 p.m. on a Thursday night, so just before the sun goes down, get a little bit more practice. And there is a golf course right behind me covered in snow. Figured I'd just go out and check it out. So firmware update first. So while we're waiting for that, so my plan today, since we're at a golf course, I'd like to do some low-level flying, see if we can fly down some greens, some holes, some fairways, fairways. See if we can fly down some fairways, get pretty close, do some turning, stuff that I've been learning, just try to get some general footage in. Hopefully it's a pretty decent time of night. The sun is fairly low, so maybe the shadows will be quite good right now. So just wish this firmware update would go a little bit faster. So yep, let's see what we can get. Today I got my first, not complaint, but first issue. Someone had posted one of my videos, my video about the time lapse over the intersection, and somebody complained that I was not within line of sight, just because I was sitting in my car while I was doing it, which was kind of ridiculous because I was about 100 meters away from the drone and I could see it at all times if I looked at it, but I just happened to be looking inside my car. And also that I was not within 30, that I was within 30 meters of vehicles and people, rather than the Transport Canada regulations of being away from 30 meters. I was 90 meters high, so 90 meters high, I'm further than 30 meters away. You know, it's a gray area, it's not black and white. So yeah, that was that. Anyway, I replied to them nicely, just said that I was within line of sight the whole time and that I was actually over 30 meters away while I was recording that footage. So that's fun, but my first encounter with someone who did not like my my footage today, so that was cool. So anyway, let's see what we can get today with this snow-covered golf course. Catch you in a bit. Your skin is like a liquid gold. Don't you know that you're a miracle? And I will love you, come rain or shine, through hurricanes or fields of fire. I will be with you till the